Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Who wants to make a super easy dessert? Brownie Parfait. Wow, looks awesome. Start with 500 grams of brownie mix, add in 3 eggs, 100 milliliters of milk and 150 grams of melted butter. Whisk them together. Perfect. Ready to pour into a baking tin. Give it a tap to remove any air bubbles and bake for 30 minutes at 150 degrees. Once your brownies are ready, you can chop them up, then place them in the bottom of a glass bowl. Cover in some whipped cream, granola for a crunch, some fresh raspberries. Then just layer it up. More brownies. More whipped cream. More raspberries. Extra brownies. A final layer of whipped cream and drizzle on some chocolate sauce. Now let's decorate it with 3 raspberries in the middle and a little bit of granola. And there you have it! Amazing! Brownie Parfait. So quick to make and so delicious.